Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite things that I've been loving for the past few months. I have makeup, home decor, fashion, and skincare. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe and let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is this Monday Born Rebirth exfoliating serum with lactic acid. This was formulated by Tenny Panosian. I've been following her for such a long time on YouTube and Instagram, and she just loves skincare, and she came out with this brand and came out with this serum, and I was dying to try it and waiting for it to come out. As soon as I could, I got on the waiting list so that as soon as it launched, I could get my hands on it. Basically, it's an exfoliating serum. Obviously, it says to use it like 2 to 3 nights a week, and to at first mix it in with your moisturizer just in case your skin is a little bit sensitive or something. My skin isn't too sensitive, so I just went straight directly on my face with it and then followed up with a very hydrating moisturizer. So I did take before pictures because that's what she said to do, and glad I did, because literally after 7 days I was shocked at the difference in my skin. So right at the time that I started using this, I had just got back from being in Michigan a lot and being out in the sun, and while I was moisturizing and stuff, I just wasn't giving too much attention to my skin while I was out of town, and I was putting a lot of stuff on my face like bug spray and sunscreen and all that kind of stuff. So my skin was extremely dry, like just thirsty. You could tell, you could see, it was just like really tight on the skin. So this was the perfect thing for me to try and to use. I'll put the before and after picture up here. You can tell in that after picture, it just looks really hydrated and healthy and just quenched. You know what I mean? The after picture is in sunlight, so I was getting a lot of DMs on Instagram about the milia under my eyes. I didn't even ever notice that I had that, so you know, this didn't get rid of that or anything. I think it's just the lighting in there. It is shining light on that area. This has nothing to do with like the whole eye area. I don't even put it there. I just put it on my face, my neck, and whatever's left over I put on my hands. I just really love this. I will link this along with everything else down below in the description box so you can check it out, and go follow Tenny. She's amazing. I love her content. I love her YouTube videos and her Instagram. I think you'll really like her too. Then for makeup, these are pretty obvious. A lot of this stuff is pretty obvious if you've been watching any of my recent videos and tutorials, because I've been using them all in the videos. But I have the Fenty cream bronzer and blush here. My favorite cream blush is Rose Latte, but I didn't use it for the picture shot because mine is so dirty. And then I had an old shot of this for my picture shot because now it's like really crusty dusty, but look at how gross that is now. But I love these. They're so nice. I have the shade Macchiato in the cream bronzer, and the one I have here for the blush is Summertime Wine. I've just really been loving using cream products to do my face makeup. I just feel like they go on so nicely, they blend so nicely, and they just sit so nicely on the skin. I do have a mix of cream and powders on my skin right now, and I do have a tutorial coming on this look in case you want to check it out. But yeah, I've just really been loving these. I've been using them nonstop. Today I went to use a different cream bronzer just to, you know, switch it up, and I missed using this. So they do have a bunch of different colors and shades depending on your skin tones, so go check them out. They're just so easy to use. I feel like cream products have come a long way since I started in makeup. Creams used to be very intimidating to me just because they used to be a lot harder to blend, a lot harder to work with, and now I just feel like they're so user friendly and they're actually easier than powders. Next is the Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. I've been using this like crazy, partially because it's the only foundation I have in a color that matches me. This is in the shade Y365. I'm obsessed with this. Let me know if you want to see a video on my favorite foundations. This, I would say, gives a dewier finish, but not too overly dewy. And I would say it gives like a nice medium coverage. I really love this. If you want to see this in action, check out my last couple of videos. Next up, I have the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. I've been using this because, again, I got more of a tan and my regular contour shade would just look like dirt on my skin. This is nice because there are a lot of different colors in here, so you can kind of mix and match them together depending on what your skin tone is. And then these two are the brightening shades. However, right now with the tan that I have right now, this enhanced color is still pretty bright. So if you have a deeper skin tone or even like a medium to tan skin tone, pretty much any darker than me, this is probably going to be still too light, but these shades are beautiful and can work for a variety of skin tone shades. The last makeup product I have here is unfortunately sold out, but I have to include it just because I love it so much and I've been using it nonstop. This is the Tom Ford Gerard Soft Matte Lipstick. It's beautiful. I'm gonna look up and see if I can find some dupes for this and either put them down below or just keep you posted. Tom Ford lipsticks really are my favorite, and I hate to say that just because they're so overpriced, but they just feel really comfortable on the lips. They give a full, or at least their matte ones give a matte finish, but they feel velvety still. They don't feel like too drying or anything. I just really love these. If I can find this in stock anywhere, I'll link it down below. This is one of the mini ones. Let me show it to you next to like a regular sized lipstick so you can see that it is pretty small. The First Time lipstick from Tom Ford is probably one of the only lipsticks that I've actually ever completely finished through and repurchased. I wish I could buy this in like a big full size, and I wish they weren't discontinuing it because it's stunning. Next, I have some random stuff. I have some home decor, fashion, and wellness. We'll save the wellness for last. I want to include these Desi sunglasses. Desi Perkins came out with her own brand, Desi, and I'm so excited about it. I feel like she did such a good job with the branding and everything, and I'm all about the vibes that they're putting out. So I got 3 different sunglasses from them, and I'll try them on and show you some close-ups. The first pair I got were the 2000s. I've been dying to get a pair like this because they just give me old school J-Lo vibes. Oh my gosh, aren't those so cute? I feel like it really goes with my makeup look too. I love these. I did do the gold, like the regular gold fade for these. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Love those. I just feel like they're so unique, and all the details that she put into each one, like with all the hardware and everything, I just think is stunning. And then I got, oh, I don't remember the name of these. Are these Charge It or On Red? Oh, they tell me. They tell me right here. It says On Red. Okay. I got these in the black. Ooh, these are bitchy. I love these. My lashes are hitting them though because I've got on very dramatic lashes, but I just think that these are so cute, and I think I need to put on a red lip with them to like complete the vibe. And then lastly, I got these because I have a pair of sunglasses from Gucci that I'm obsessed with. They're black and they just say Gucci on the side, and they're my go-to classic oversized square sunglasses. I just love a good classic square oversized sunglass. She came out with literally the exact same thing, stunning, and she has them in a tortoise. So these are called the Harpers, and I've worn these like a million times, so they look a little dirty when I was filming the close-up shots, but oh, they are seriously the exact same quality of the Gucci ones that I have, but these are a fraction of the price, and they're just so pretty. I feel like these are sunglasses that you can wear anywhere, anytime. They're fancy, they're leave me alone, they're casual, you know, they're just whatever you want to make them. So I love that I got the tortoise, and they kind of fade from black to like nothing down here. And I know there were other brown ones that she had, but this was just the classic tortoise color. Okay, and then next I have these shoes that I actually included in the Nordstrom anniversary sale haul and like fall style haul that I did. I decided to keep the gray platform Converse. I have worn them, so I'm trying not to like touch the bottoms. I really loved these. When I was looking at the shots of them on camera when I was editing, I realized that I really love the color because they are gray. They're such a bright gray that they can almost pass as a white sneaker. So I love the platform on them. Because I'm short, I'm 5'2". Having that height makes so much of a difference for me. I mean, no one else probably cares, but I feel more confident with a little bit of height on me. Yeah, they're so cute. They're very comfortable. I got a lot of questions on whether I sized down. Converse always says to size down in their sneakers. I still stayed with a 7. I'm a 6.5 in like sandals, but I'm a 7 in anything that's like closed-toed. So I just kept with a 7 and it works for me. However, the high top ones that I need to return, those I could see sizing down in for whatever reason, but really glad that I ended up picking those up. I think they're really flattering and I love them. Moving on to home decor, I have this candle that I got from TJ Maxx. If I can find this online, I will link it, but this is the Sand and Fog Tahitian Vanilla candle. This smells incredible. Oh, it smells like just warm and vanilla-y and just good. So I've been burning this like crazy. I love really warm scents. I love fall scents all year round. I'm not like huge into like summery tropical scents. I just loved the whole aesthetic of the candle. It matches my house. And I liked the top too. It's like this wood piece and says blessed. So thought I'd include this. I hope I can find it online. And then the last home decor thing is this random bowl I got from Target. This sits on our coffee table and we just put like our remotes and stuff in here. It was very inexpensive for what it is. I feel like I've been shopping online, well, not shopping online, but just browsing online for home decor stuff that just kind of like matches the vibe that we're going for. And something like this from like Crate and Barrel or CB2 or West Elm would be like 50 bucks minimum. This was 25 bucks. So not too shabby, and it's super cute. It's very large and I like it. Okay, last but not least, this is very random, but this is Sovereign Silver, colloidal silver. I have talked about this before, but basically this just like boosts your immune system. Anytime I just feel like I'm either got a sore throat or just feeling a little down, I'll put the drops under my tongue like it suggests. I feel amazing the next day. So I just wanted to include this because I swear by this. Anytime in the past where I've had any sort of cold, it kind of just helps boost my immune system and fights off the cold really fast. So I haven't been sick lately, but just because of everything going on in the world, I've just been taking this pretty regularly just in case. And I thought that I would share it because I hate taking medicine. I mean, I'll take medicine, but I'd prefer to just keep my immune system high, eat healthy, and take this on occasion. So thought I'd include that. Super random. But that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what some of my favorite products are that I've been loving the last couple of months. Let me know down below in the comment section what you've been loving, what makeup products that I should try out, what other random stuff you've been loving that I should try out. Let me know that down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you very soon. Bye.